So today's it is 1st of August 2024, and I'm going to tell about the course Cognition. So it was lecture 1, and so we have said that in the mid sem, Kweldas ma'am is going to teach us. In end sem, Anuradha Bhatt ma'am and Shumana Nagiri ma'am's part is going to be there. And other than that, in case of an internal assessment, there will be a group paper presentation, and Kweldas ma'am is going to teach us cognitive neuroscience, the history, the technologies used in it, a brief kind of anatomy, and fission, which actually includes 50% of the neurons in the CNS, or in the brain, better to say. I'm not that sure, by the way. And she's going to talk about attention, face recognition and object recognition, and motor effects, most probably so. At least that's what I understood. And then Shumana Nagiri ma'am is going to teach us about spatial memory. And other than that, there will be disorders. I mean, it is under Kweldas ma'am's part. And Anuradha Bhatt ma'am is going to just give us a kind of holistic approach to the subject of cognition and evolution of intelligence, and would be actually getting the cognitive abilities, or learn about the cognition of different organisms from different taxas, starting from humans to going to a lower organism, or at least far related to us. And then there will be lectures on spatial navigation and the role of environment and ecology on cognition. And other than that, Shumana Nagari ma'am is going to teach us spatial memory and social cognition. And then, and the book Kweldas ma'am suggested was Principles of Neuroscience, which is already present in the library. But I mean, the author's name is Eric something, I do not know. And this is actually a kind of reference book. Other than that, there will be papers, reference papers and all that. Then let's talk about the class timing. Well, the class timing would be on Monday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. and on the routine on Wednesday it's from 10 to 1, but it generally won't take place on that time. But we are recommended to keep that part of our routine unblocked, so that ma'am may take some of those classes on Wednesday. And on Thursday the class will be from 5 to 6:30, and our next class is on Wednesday. That's it. Thank you for today.